making up to $500 just by simply doing remote jobs. Now, remote jobs are jobs that you do not physically need to be there. And I've created a whole lot of videos about remote website that you can go on to apply for remote jobs. Most of us are having a hard nose when it comes to attending the interviews, because the interview is on another level. It is on another level. It is more of like the difficult phase where you have to cross, like the difficult river you get to, and then when you want to cross, your interviewer or the recruiter will be like, no, we cannot take you, or something like that. So with all those kind of, complaints and all of that, I have decided to compile a list of 2 good websites or companies that can actually recruit you without interviewing you. Yes, they do not need to interview you before they recruit you. There are other ways that they recruit you. So with that being said, guys, let's head straight into the video. Now, if you stick with me to the end of this video, the last website is actually the best, because that is one of the best websites for me, where I do my remote jobs without even having the skill or the college degree or even investing. You don't need to invest in this website, and you don't even need a college degree or a skill to sign up on the second website I'll be sharing with you. Welcome back to Step Hustle. This is Kemi of Step Hustle. If you're seeing us for the very first time, what we do here is create content about how you can upscale your financial life. I do research about all these things. If I find it working and worthy, I come here to share them with you. So with that being said, if you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do what to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber as usual, I will love you and we'll keep loving you. So like I have said, remote jobs. I have a lot of people here in Nigeria that are doing remote jobs and are banking it a lot of money. Not only in Nigeria, also in Africa. So I have stated in my previous videos that if you are in Africa, wherever you are in Nigeria or wherever you are in Africa, maybe Ghana, Kenya, anywhere you are in Africa, if you are looking for a remote job, please just apply to Pan-African countries, because they recruit you faster and easier than countries that will write remote and will put US by the side, or write remote and will put UK by the side. So please focus on Pan-African countries. They are easy to apply to. With that being said, remote job also are jobs that you can do without leaving the comfort of your home. You can do it from wherever you are in the world. It doesn't matter your location. All that matters is that you deliver what is expected of you. So with that being said, guys, let's head straight into the video. So the first website we'll be looking at is an educational website. So if you know you are in the educational niche, maybe a teacher, whatever course you are teaching, you understand, whatever course you are teaching, this particular website is for you. Now, what you need to do is to ensure that you go to the website, do some research about what their requirements are or what they want in your specific course. I don't know if you understand me. Now, the name of the website is called study.com. Study.com here actually has a whole lot of things that you can look into. It is called the Breakthrough Startup. Now, they allow students that are not academically strong to really sign up on this particular website, so that teachers like you and I will come and teach them like an extra lesson and help them upskill in their academics, or help them succeed in their academics. The first thing you have to do is to hit the sign up button, and then you sign up. After signing up, they'll ask you if you're signing up as a student or as a teacher. Then you sign up as a teacher. Then you scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, you go to where it says Teach for Us. Once you click on where it says Teach for Us, it will open another interface for you where it says Flexible Education Gigs with Study.com. Now, these are gigs that you can easily, scoop in and do whatever. Now, we are signing up as a contractor. Yes, it is only when you sign up as a contractor that you do not need an interview to get the job. But when you go on the careers and you sign up as a career person, you actually need an interview. But if you can't take an interview, just go on and sign up as Teach for Us. You understand? Now, they said benefits of online work as a Study.com contractor. Now, Teach for Us will actually employ you as a contractor. The first thing is flexible hours. Work wherever and whenever you want, completely online. They don't even need you to be there. So it is fully remote. Your location does not matter. The thing is reliable payment. You have timely and reliable payment twice a month. So they pay you obviously like 15th of the month and 30th of the month. So it is usually twice a month for whatever courses you take or the time you spend on their website. So I think they pay hourly. Yes, they pay hourly. So If your course is the type that they require every day, you make more money. If it is just once in a week, you make a bit less money, but at the end of the day, it still boils down to the fact that you are making money. Now, the next one is supportive staff. Our in-house team is available to help you succeed. Now, once you sign up and they accept you, they put you under a team. That team is like your own, how will I put it? It's like your own HOD, like your own head of your own department, or maybe head of department. They put you under a team. That team is like your own department, where you get to see the HOD, the HOS, the coordinator, and all of them. You'll be able to reach out to them and tell them that this is what you want to do, or how they can help you to, make this joining a super easy one for you. So with that being said, guys, I would like you to go to study.com, check their website, go to the section where it says teach for us, and sign up as a contractor and start working with them. With that being said, let's head straight to the next one. Now, the next one is really my favorite. It is Appen. Appen.com. Appen actually gives you a tax. Yes, Appen gives you a tax where they ask you to either research about this, or check this website, or tell them glitches about a website or something like that. Appen is quite simple. I've been on Appen for a very, very long time, and I've been making money on Appen because once they give you a tax and you complete it, they pay you. You heard me, I'm in Nigeria, and Appen still pays me. Once they give you a tax, they pay you. Now, this is the type of work that does not require anybody, that does not require any interview. Yes, Appen, as an Appen contractor, as an Appen contributor, you do not require any interview to start making money on Appen. The only thing is the fact that Appen pays you per tax. So depending on how many times they send to you, that is the amount of money they will pay. Depending on how many times they send to you and how many times you are able to execute or submit successfully, they pay you. So an Appen actually pays you once you've reached, I think, $100 threshold.
So this is how Appen.com looks like. This is how their platform looks like. It says make data your differentiator. What you come on Appen to do is to give model evaluation. You give prompt reference management. You give content and research. You tell them how relevant some content are. And you do model integrity assessment. There are a lot of things you come here on Appen.com and work or do when they send you a task. You help them improve their AI. Like they're an AI company that actually works and improve AI for people to use it more often. So you scroll down and check where it says join our crowd. Yes, once crowd here, you join their global crowd. This is what it looks like. Now take a look at, they have over 1 million plus remote workers, which you can be one of them. They have their works translated in 265 languages, and their presence is over 170 countries, which include Nigeria and other African countries. And they've paid over 157 million. So now what you just need to do is to come on where it says get started and click on the get started button and start working as an evaluator on the Appen platform.